Hi, this is Vinita. In this video, I'm going to be talking more about app downloads and maximizing app registrations. So the first part is you need to figure out who your audiences are. So it could be your audience, the customer list that you have, a lookalike audience, or maybe starting from scratch by creating a funnel and attracting new customers. The second step is once you have your audience in place, you need to segment them as per the device they use. Number third, here comes the best part, selecting your ad type. You can either use an image or a walkthrough video of your app. The best option always is to A/B test. Number fourth, pick the right call to action button. Your users should know that this is an app and people are going to be redirected to the Play Store or App Store or whatever. Number fifth, it is very important to select the right ad placements. Otherwise, you will not be able to optimize it well, and moreover, you will be wasting all your budget. Number six, try to put an offer on the ad, like a 5% discount, 10% discount, something like that. That if you purchase using the app, you will be getting so and so discount. If at all you don't have any discount going on, then try promoting your referral program on the app. Trust me, this can work wonders. And now, once your ad goes live, make sure to analyze your funnel to track your conversions. I hope this video was useful. For more such content, keep on following me. Thank you for watching.